Alright, hey guys, what is up? MCBlockBros here, bringing you a tutorial on how to set up a basic Minecraft server. So, this is going to be a nice, quick, and easy tutorial. It's going to be a tutorial on Windows and using LogMe and Hamachi, which you see right here. So, the first thing you want to do, you're going to want to open up your browser and go to minecraft.net/download. There will be a link for this page in the description. You have to have a Minecraft account to download the server. So what you're gonna want to do is go down here to multiplayer server, and then click minecraftserver.exe. Just start your download. Now I've already done this a couple times, 4 times already. So it's Minecraft server 3. Alright, then you're gonna want to leave it there. You're gonna want to go back to your desktop, go to new and folder, and name your folder whatever you want. It can be I'm just gonna do MCBlockBros. So yeah, then open up your browser again. Go ahead and drag your Minecraft server into your folder. It should appear there. There you go. Then you're going to want to double click it and let the magic happen. It's going to say all this stuff, warning, warning, whatever. But yeah. But don't worry. Alright, actually. Okay, let's try again. There you go. Sorry, it became a little buggy. I was still running my main server, but yeah, when this pops up, it's gonna say warning, failed to load operations list and failed to load whitelist. Don't worry, it's gonna keep going. It's gonna prepare your spawn area, and then once it's done, you're gonna want to type stop and hit enter. Then it should close itself. Wait for it to just close. There you go. Then all these files are going to be here. Don't worry, this is supposed to happen. Nothing went wrong. We're going to be looking at these files a little later in a second, but right now you just want to close your folder and then go to your second page, LogMe and Hamachi. These 2 links will be in the description. So then what you want to do, go down, click conditions of use, check, you can read it, and then click download the unmanaged version. Do not download the managed version. Download the unmanaged version. You can also do this on Mac, but obviously this is a Windows system, so I'm not going to be going over the Mac one. So go check conditions of use and download now. Then pick your language, adjust your settings, everything, and make a shortcut on your desktop, and there you go. It should look like this. You're going to want to double click it. It's going to say starting Hamachi. Now it's going to not give you this, but I already have Hamachi, so it gave me it automatically. But these numbers and things aren't going to be here. But what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and click this power button. Don't create an click the power button. It's going to tell you to click the power button. There's going to be an arrow up here. Resolving, logging, and probing. It might take a little longer for new people who just started with it. Alright, yep. So then it should give you your name. It should ask you what you want your name to be. Then it should give you this IP address right here. What you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go down to network, create a new network. You can name your network ID whatever you want. MCBlockBros, password 123, create. So yeah, there it is. It's going to have 1 out of 5 members. Now, what I like to do, I like to right-click this little arrow down here and go to set access. Then I like to click manual approval, which means that every time someone wants to join your Hamachi network, you have to approve them manually by right-clicking on their name and click approve. So I would select OK for that. That way, people who you not only people who you know will be able to actually join your network. Now, in the recent updates in Hamachi, you can only have 1 out of 5 people in your network, and you are included as one of those 5 people. If it gets full, and let's say you want 6 people to be on your server, just go ahead, create a new network. It will still work. You're just going to be hosting 2 networks. You can host as many as you want. I think like one, I used to, when I used to run, I used to host 6 because we had a lot of people playing on my server. But so yeah, go ahead, do that, and then minimize your Hamachi. If you close your Hamachi, don't worry, it's still going to be right down here. So if you close it, it's still going to be completely functional. Then you're going to want to open back your server list. Now go to this server file, not the one that's the text document, but the one that's used with Notepad. It's called a properties file. It should say it right here. You're going to want to double click that, and all this information will come up. Now, allow nether, you want to set that to true. Level name, keep it as world. Enable query would be false. Allow flight would be false. Server port, just leave it at 25565. That's different. You don't need that for now. Level type, default. I assume you could have super flat. I'm not sure about that, but you can go look that up if you want to. Enable recon is false. Level speed, leave it blank. Now, for the server IP, what you want to do, you want to go over here, open up your Hamachi again, or if you minimize it, just go ahead and open it. Restore. Now, your server IP is a series of numbers with periods. It's not the ones that it's /262. It's the one before the slash. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and type 5.104.245.191. There you go, right? After that, go to spawn and proceed. You can leave that as true. Max build height, I assume 256 would be fine. I'm not sure why you want to build higher than that. Spawn animals could be true. Snooper enabled, leave that as true. Hardcore false, unless you want people to die and not be able to respawn. Texture pack is a little buggy now, but supposedly I've done this on previously before, but only once. If you paste the URL where the texture pack download is, it might actually work. And then your online mode should be true. PvP should be true or false. I like to set it to false because, you know, we have we have some people on our server that like to go ahead and kill everyone, and it's a little annoying. Spawn monsters, you want to set that to true or false, whatever you like. Game mode 0, difficulty 1, max players. If you have my computer's quite adept, so it can probably host 20 people like it usually does, but basically for starters, I just say 10 unless you have more than 10. If you don't know your computer properties, just stick with 10. Generate structures would be like nether and nether buildings and like dungeons. I'm not sure if mob spawners count as a generated structure, like mine shafts, stuff like that. View distance, set that to 10, and MOTD, which is messages of the day. It's pretty much your server description. Just go ahead and put Minecraft for the win. There you go, like that. Then go ahead to file. You can have your server description as whatever you want. You don't have to put Minecraft for the win, but go ahead and click save. File, save, close that. There you go. Then go ahead and open your Minecraft server again. It should say preparing spawn, everything's done, yep. Now there should be no warnings or anything there. If there is, you did something wrong. So close this. You can close your Hamachi too. And go ahead and open up your Minecraft. Gonna log in. There you go. Multiplayer. Add server. Server address. 5.104. What? I forgot what it was. Sorry. Actually, it should say it right here. 5.104.245.191. And there it is. And that's where your server description would be. Minecraft for the win. Minecraft server. Go ahead. Join server. And there you are. Nice jungle biome. Yeah, it's probably not best to record Minecraft with this because it's really laggy. So yeah. Go get your cocoa beans. Go get some wood. Unless you're a girl, you probably don't want some wood. You're done with the server, you want to go ahead and just type in stop into this bar. There are other commands that you can do. You can TP people when you're not in the game. It's pretty much just like your slash commands when you're in the game, except that you don't put slash. Go ahead, hit enter, let it close by itself. And then you're done. There you go. That's how you run your server on LogMe and Hamachi. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever you want to do. So yeah, guys, see ya.